Right, we've had a couple of these instances recently. What's happened, customers reported that they can't get their cassette in, like that, which it won't go in, no matter how hard you push it. Now what's happened is when the customer has dumped it, come back again, this has come off and it's been put on the wrong way round. So obviously it can't push in because it won't allow it. So all you need to do is change that around, push that in like that, and it will go in. So it's a simple thing, but very frustrating, and sometimes you just don't see it because it's so obvious. So if you can't push it in, just try that. There is a more serious reason for it, where inside here there is the locator for this, and sometimes that twists ever so slightly out of the way. Now you can just grab hold of it and line it up so that this will slide in and then allow it to locate correctly. That can be another issue. That's a little bit more serious, and you've kind of got to be a bit forceful with it and give it a tweak to get it into line. But 9 times out of 10, it's just that. Okay, and there you go.